biggest disaster that is happening. You compare yourself to someone else. Whenever you compare your worst to someone else's best, it's called emotional abuse to yourself. So don't blame someone else abusing you. You are abusing yourself. When you compare yourself to other people, you are saying to yourself, I don't like you. That person is better than you. Don't ever say that to yourself, because you are saying to yourself, I don't like you. I like that person better. I like that person's house better than my house. The grass is greener on that side. No, the grass is never ever greener on that side. The grass is exactly where you water them. If you water your garden, the garden is going to grow. So never ever abuse yourself by comparing yourself to someone else. That is really, really bad for your lung and for your liver. All your organs respond to your emotion. Every single organ is associated with emotion. Your heart is associated with joy. That is the only emotion that the heart actually knows, emotion of joy. Guys, do you think it's a luxury to know how to self-heal? Or do you think it's a necessity? How many people do you know who are struggling, who are suffering from stress-related disorders like headaches and neck pain and back pain and arthritis and infertilities and weight gains and bowel inflammatory disease and interjections and skin disorders and aches and pains? How many people you know are struggling with physical ailments and heartbreaks, depressions and mental disorders? How many people do you know? And how many of these people do you know who actually knows how to self-heal? Do you know that if you do not know how to self-heal, you have no dignity? It is such a powerful tool for you to possess. So you know how to recharge your bio battery. So you know how to revitalize your cellular function. So you know how to use all the treasures embedded in your body to rebuild your immune system, to restore your nervous system. Do you have any idea how powerful that would be for you?